Hello everyone, what is up? So I just wanted to go over something that I said in my important updates video. Now, if you remember from the video, I said at the end of the video I was going to show you how to use Topaz AI, which is a program I mentioned to get the 40K 60 FPS thing working. So update on that. Before I go into the tutorial, which I sadly promised but didn't deliver. I'm very sorry about that. Uh, now I want to leave a disclaimer for the video. This does not work on every video. Like for example, I did it on if you guys know the meme, don't be racist, I'm a building. I did it on that and the faces looked completely distorted and really fucking creepy. So if you guys remember on my channel, I posted that for like 5 minutes and then instantly deleted it because it looked atrocious. So just a little disclaimer. This does not work on every video, but it should work on most. So now, but also before I go on this tutorial, there are two types of Topaz AI software. There's the video one, which I'm going to be showing to you guys first, and the photo one. Now, in terms of prices, it is very, very expensive, almost as expensive as FL Studio. So the Photo AI or Photo AI 2, as they call it, looking at the websites, $200, while the Video AI or Video AI 4 is $300. So obviously, there are other ways to get it, but I'm not going to be displaying it in this video because it is illegal. It's pirating. Please don't. So the first thing you're going to want to do is literally drop video or click to import. So I'm going to drop a video. Uh, I got to pick one. Um, so I'm going to do Peter Griffin. Who the hell cares? So I'm just going to plot that in here, and then there's the video. Now it may not play because play audio because obviously it's only taking the video part of it. And usually the easiest thing to do, what I do usually is click upscale to 4K and convert it to 60 FPS. So you don't want to click that. And it auto does the setting for you to make sure it is 60 FPS in 4K. So all you got to do is simple. Just click export. And keep in mind that this takes a shit ton of time, not even depending on your computer. Literally every video takes a crap ton of time. I think the lowest I've seen is like 30 minutes or maybe even less, but like a little bit less. But yeah, so it's a good idea to try and uh have time to wait for these videos to load. And in the meantime, I'm going to tell you how to do Topaz video photo AI. Sorry, not video. Topaz photo AI while this is loading. So I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I'm back and this is how you use Topaz photo AI. So now obviously you're gonna want to do the exact same thing. So photos, uh we'll pick a picture of Mona. Or actually no, we'll pick this picture of Stewie. Little smirk face. Oh, the jump scare. So this little picture of Stewie. So in this program, there's a couple downsides and some upsides. So the downside is you can't pick any presets, unlike Topaz Video AI. You're just gonna have to wing it and see what you get. However, I think the only setting you really need to play around with in order to not get like stupid weird is enhanced resolution. Uh Now there is an option to crop an image to make it 16 by 9, aka like a 4K thing. So once it's done doing the autopilot, it's kind of like a preset, not much though. I don't know why sharpen is on. You can keep that on. You can just do whatever autopilot does for you. So if it's not 16 by 9, you can click original ratio and click 16 by 9 and it'll somewhat fit. We're not going to play around with that. But if you want to make it if you don't want to play around with crop and you want to be like, "Hey, I want to make it just the resolution, nothing else." You can click so you can click single, double, quadruple, or absolute max. Now, obviously, from the left and the right, I'm going to get into that. There are three ways to display your image. You could just display the one you edited. You could do like a before and after. You can do like a slider type thing. And as you can see, this looks much better than this. Or you can just have it side by side like that. Um so obviously this looks better. So we're just gonna stick with that, and we're gonna put 4 times because max. I mean 2 times because max is way too fucking much. It's almost 10,000 pixels. So we didn't want to mess around with that. So you're gonna want to click save image, And I forgot to mention this with video AI. I think it's going to be the exact same thing. If you just click export, it'll bring up this window as well, and it'll just do its thing. Now over here we have your prefix. I'm not really sure what that means. You can just leave that blank. Suffix is topaz to distinguish the original from the original. And then add applied filters to file name. That just adds whatever filter you put to the file name. It's kind of like suffix and prefix in a way. Save to, obviously you know what that is. Format, PNG, JPG, DNG, whatever. Compress, I wouldn't play around with it. And also bit depth, bit depth, I wouldn't play around with. And you could just click save. And this should be a lot easier to save than, yeah, look at that. Smooth. It should be a lot easier to save than Topaz Photo AI because, well, it's a video. And I'll put the image on how it came out. And I'll also put an image of how the other one the video came out. Also, the video finished, so I'm going to be putting uh, the, the, what is it? The video right here for you guys.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
And I'm also going to be putting the photo for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see any other tutorials by me, well, I don't really make much tutorials, but in general, if you want to see my videos, just click the subscribe button, like the video, and also click that notification bell to get notified about my videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.